If alpha and beta are the root of the equation, x² plus px plus q equals 0, prove that alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 equals 3pq minus p power 3. Solution. Alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 equals alpha plus beta power 3 minus 3 alpha beta times alpha plus beta. Let's call this equation 1. Click on the description to watch the video on symmetric functions of roots formula. From the given equation, x² plus px plus q equals 0. Since the coefficient of x² is 1, alpha plus beta equals minus p, alpha beta equals q, from symmetric functions of roots. Click the description to watch the video on symmetric functions of roots. Substituting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in equation 1, this will give us alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 equals minus p power 3 minus 3 times q times minus p, which will give us minus p power 3 plus 3q_p, which can be written as 3q_p minus p power 3. Please subscribe to my channel in order to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks. If the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation ax² plus bx plus c equals 0 is 1, show that b² equals 2ac plus a square. Solution. From the question, the given equation is ax² plus bx plus c equals 0. By making the coefficient of x² 1, by dividing through by a, it follows that alpha plus beta equals minus b over a, and alpha beta equals c over a. Also, from the question, it is given that the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation, ax² plus bx plus c equals 0, is 1. This implies that alpha square plus beta square equals 1, let's call this equation 1. Also, recall that alpha square plus beta square equals alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, let's call this equation 2, substituting the value of alpha square plus beta square equals 1 from equation 1, and the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from the given equation, in equation 2 will give us 1 equals minus b over a square minus 2 times c over a, which is the same as 1 equals b square over a square minus 2c over a. Simplifying the right hand side will leave us with 1 equals b square minus 2ac over a square. By cross multiplication, a square equals b square minus 2ac, which can be written as b square equals 2ac plus a square. If alpha and beta are roots of 2x² minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Evaluate beta over alpha plus alpha over beta. Solution. To evaluate beta over alpha plus alpha over beta, multiply beta over alpha by beta over beta, and alpha over beta by alpha over alpha. Now that they have common denominator alpha beta, the numerator will give us beta square plus alpha square, which is the same as alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. Recall that alpha square plus beta square equals alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, hence, the expression equals alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. Let's call this equation 1. From the given equation 2x² minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let's make the coefficient of x² to be 1 by dividing through by 2. Hence, from symmetric functions of roots, alpha plus beta equals 6 over 2, which is 3, and alpha beta equals 5 over 2. Click on the link in the description to watch symmetric functions of roots. Substituting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in equation 1, we have 3 square minus 2 times 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2, which is 9 minus 5 divided by 5 over 2, and this will give us 4 times 2 over 5, which is equal to 8 over 5. 8 divided by 5 is one whole number 3 over 5. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation 1 over 4x² plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, find the value of 2 over alpha plus 2 over beta. Solution. From the given equation, 1 over 4x squared plus 3x, minus 2 is equal to 0, making the coefficient of x squared 1, by multiplying through by 4, will give us x squared plus 12x, minus 8 is equal to 0. From symmetric functions of roots, alpha plus beta equals minus 12, and alpha beta equals minus 8. Click on the description to watch symmetric functions of roots. To find the value of 2 over alpha plus 2 over beta. 2 over alpha plus 2 over beta equals 2 alpha plus 2 beta over alpha beta, which can be written as 2 times alpha plus beta over alpha beta. By substituting the value of alpha plus beta, and alpha beta, in the above expression, we have 2 times minus 12, over minus 8, which equals to minus 24 over minus 8, which is 3. Please subscribe to my channel, in order to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.